Hi friends, my name is Shane and I'm an online English teacher. I want to help you with the CELPIP speaking test, and these are my preparation services for that part of the exam. Briefly about me, I am obviously a native speaker and I have been teaching online for almost 8 years, specifically about CELPIP and other things. I want to give you an overview of what we will study. We're going to look at things like sample questions here that you can answer, and we're going to analyze it. We're going to look at also templates for each speaking task, including introductions, middles, and conclusions. And I think this is really going to help you structure a better answer. As well, we're going to look at sample responses or answers that I did myself, but we're going to look at not only the good that I did, but also the bad and how I could improve. As well, frequently asked questions. Teaching CELPIP for over 8 years, a lot of students have asked me many questions, and I'm going to give you the top questions which are going to help you give your best on the test day. And there's going to be even more. I've created complete overviews of each task. So I'm going to give preparation advice for each task, specifically for each difference of each task. And we're going to look at something I'm really excited about, non-native and native sample answers. So what did I do here? Well, I got my wife, who is a non-native speaker of English. She's originally from the Philippines. And we're going to look at a native speaker like my mother. And we're going to see how a non-native and a native compares, especially both of them are not going to prepare much. I'm also going to give you my logic-based tips and tricks that help students to answer almost any questions, even those with difficult topics. And lastly, I created some sample speaking tests that you could use to practice at home. So I hope that you enjoy the course and that you can enroll today. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thanks so much. Bye.